we have to create our room layout. So here, by pressing this icon, we can add, well, we can design our room, and we can design it as unit. We will add some tables. And we can continue. One interesting functionality might be the modifiers. This tool allows us to make little modifications over one specific item. For instance, the doneness of the meat. So let's enter now in a deeper level, and we are going to create these modifiers. So by pressing Administration Configuration, we access to the Configuration menu, where we can create our modifiers. So we're going to create a new group called doneness. In this modifier group, we can add items or comments. Items to take into account stock, or comments in order to just take into account, for example, the doneness of the meat. So here we can configure rare. Medium rare. And well done. With in this case, I would like that the waiter who introduces the order select minimum one modifier and maximum one modifier. So I will press accept here. Okay, and we are going to associate this modifier group to our meat items. By pressing here in the last tab in the bottom of this configuration screen, we can associate the modifiers, okay, to our items. So as I mentioned before, here we can we can select minimum one and maximum one in order that the waiter always select which kind of doneness the client would like for these items, for the meat items. Okay. As you see here, a new update from previous versions is that in the sales screen, we can see the items on the screen in a different way. Before it was not possible to configure it, but now yes. So, and as you see in the bottom of the screen, we have different options. Now it's 4 per 5, but we can also increase the dimension of the items by setting the other options. Okay, as you see here, we can see the items bigger than the option that we had before. Okay, but I will leave it like this by default. As well as we have the option to select all items in order to configure wherever we would like. As for example, change family, image from gallery, or image from file. And in order to disable them, we can press here and we disable it, and we leave it like it was before. Well, at this point, we have already configured the restaurant.